Hello and welcome back to SQA Higher Maths Applying Differential Calculus. So we are looking at the area between two curves or between a line and a curve. So in this section here we need to do the integral from -1 to 2 to find area A. We need to do the integral of 2 to 6 to find area B, and each time we do that we must always do the upper curve minus the lower curve. Or in this case, the curve minus the line. Why am I doing that in area A? Well, the curve is above the line. It's whichever one's on top, whichever one's higher up, minus whichever one's on the bottom or whichever one's the lowest. So between -1 and 2, the curve is higher than the line. And then from 2 to 6, I'll need to do the line, because the line's above the curve in this region. So I need to do the integral from 2 to 6 of the equation of the line minus the equation of the curve. Okay, I'll say that one more time because sometimes people have missed that in the past. I think it's a lot more complicated than it is. It's literally which one's on the top, which one's higher up. Here the curve is higher than the line. Here the line is above the curve. The line's higher up than the curve. Whichever one's higher. Do the top one minus the bottom one for this region. Top one minus the bottom one for that region. Right, area A. So it's the integral of the upper minus lower or top minus bottom, so it's the curve minus the line, so f of x minus g of x in this case. So x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus all of 4x plus 4. So we're subtracting the 4x and the 4. Let's do that before we integrate. So we're only integrating 4 terms and not 6 terms. And then we just need to evaluate once we've done that. Remember the square brackets, guys, your notation needs to be spot on. Substitute in 2, substitute in -1. Evaluate, we will get 99 quarters for area A. Now area B, remember we're doing the top minus the bottom, so the line's on top here, the curve's underneath the line. So it'll be 4x plus 4 minus all of x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x plus 16. Now think about what we've just done here. We've done that minus that in part A. Now we're doing it the other way around. So what we're going to integrate should be the negative of what it was in the previous question. So just double check that each time. And indeed it is. Okay, so once we've done that, integrate. And again, this should be the negative of what we had there. Substitute in 6, substitute in 2. Evaluate all of that, and that will be 160 thirds square units. So I've got 99 quarters in area A, I've got 160 thirds in area B. What's the total area? It'll just be 99 quarters at 160 thirds, which turns out to be 78 and 1/12 square units. Okay. Again, just, you can all integrate, or you should be able to by now. You've done lots of practice at it. To find the area between two curves, it's the one on the top minus the one on the bottom between the limits. If there's two independent regions, got to do them both separately, add them together at the end. Okay. Right, there's one more example. I will do that in a separate video.